I am going to quickly show you how to convert a fraction to decimal. Here I have 5/8, which is saying that I should divide 5 by 8. So I'm going to write 8 right here and 5 right here. So 8 into 5, you can't. So you put a 0 right here and a point, and add a 0 right here. So 8 into 50 goes 6 times. So write 6 up there. So 8 times 6 is 48. So I'm going to write 48 right here and minus the 48 from the 50. So 48 from 50 leave 2. So 8 into 2, you can't. So you add a 0 right here and say 8 into 20 is 2 times. So I'm going to put a 2 right here. So 2 times 8 is 16. So I'm going to minus 16 from 20. 16 from 20 leave 4. So I'm going to write 4 here. So 8 into 4, you can't. You add a 0 right here. 8 into 40, 5 times. So I'm going to write 5 right here. 5 eighths is 40. So 40 minus 40 leave 0. Therefore, (5/8) can be written as 0.625 as a decimal. So this is the answer. You can also use a calculator to confirm your answer. So I'm going to use a calculator. So 5 divided by 8 is 0.625. Very good. So this is how we convert a fraction to decimal.